Hey, Tana with WTI. And if you're looking for a tiny workhorse of a vacuum, then you're going to love this one.
A cordless vacuum cleaner that weighs under 3 pounds. Welsauber has made this amazing little cordless vacuum. It charges by USB and is the perfect thing to clean almost anything. It's great for hardwoods, bringing into your car, vacuuming around your kitchen, your stairs, wherever you need to go, and it is so lightweight. But that does not mean it doesn't pack a punch. This thing will vacuum up everything. I love that it comes with an extra filter and this handy tool that helps with any hair tangles. I also love that it has this green light and it breaks down into these two different sizes so you can use it by hand or have a longer stick for getting in those troublesome areas. This really is such an incredible vacuum for how small it is. It works so good.
This vacuum is truly tiny but mighty. I am in love with it, and you definitely need to get one for your home. And that's my point of view.